morning. We're on our way to Minca.
Hello.
So what happened?
Welcome to Oliver's vlog.
What happened?
We just got rear-ended. We're on our way to Minca and we're in a shuttle bus and we're sitting at a roundabout intersection. Just sitting here for at least 30 seconds.
A few minutes, yeah.
A few minutes. And all of a sudden we get smacked from behind. Someone literally rear-ended
Like a little red car.
Yeah.
But it seems to be okay because we're already driving again.
Yeah.
They don't really do any insurance papers here, I guess. Oh no, we're parking.
Okay.
Alright, we have arrived. It was like a 40-minute drive. Not that long. Perfectly in a small van. We had an accident, but it was fine. After all, we arrived within 40 minutes, so it's very doable. It's really cute. Look. Also, the way towards this little town through the mountains. You see Santa Marta laying there in the distance. It's really nice. So let's check out. Let's find the taxi to go to our hostel. Delicious coffee you have. We're going here. Chünü'ü. This is the place. They have hammocks all over. And then you have this little bridge over the river to cross. If you go to the other side, you go to the left, you walk straight to the center of Minca. So here are the dorms, and you walk down. It's all perfectly maintained to the pool. In the jungle, you can hear the river. It is amazing. And I guess when it's dark, I think when the lights turn on, it's magical. I think that's enough. Our first meal in Minca. With the parrot. Yep. Oh, go off. In Minca, there are moto taxis, so we just took a moto to see the waterfall, to go to the waterfall. It's a really dusty, bumpy road. We both hopped on a moto. I have my moto, and Amy has her moto too. And here, he explained me that it's not mandatory to wear a helmet if you're on the back of a moto. Only the person who is driving the moto needs a helmet. All this effort to see a waterfall. Look at this, what we are heading to. So far up, so far down. There's beautiful views though, and a fish. Also a fish. We have arrived. You pay 10,000 pesos per person to enter, and then you arrive into like a garden. I'll show you around.
You got it.
So cold. Oh God. It's so cold. You cannot imagine. It's so cold. Look at her having her best time crawling towards the doggy. Oh my god. It looks like I'm freshly showered, but I'm not. Well, half of it. Oh shit, I keep forgetting I can zoom in. Anyways, we had a natural bath here in the waterfall behind me. It looks beautiful, but the water was very cold. But it's a magical place. It's in the middle of the jungle. You only hear water and birds and some dogs every now and then. She's making the jacuzzi ready for us. Look at it. It's perfect. Let's take this out. There are no kids anymore. We just finished dinner. It was the most disgusting pizza we've ever had. It was just a frozen pizza, actually. But I made a new friend. Isn't she cute? We're outside and we are in a big bed watching some Netflix. Perfect. Well, good morning. It is 7:30. We are about to have breakfast, and today we are going to a coffee cacao farm. We don't have tickets yet, so let's see how the day goes. Maybe there's not even a spot available for us too, so we can't go, but we're going anyways. And there is the kitchen where they make our breakfast. Look who decided to wear flip-flops on a...
I didn't decide, I forgot.
We're going to the cacao and coffee tour. And it's like a whole guided tour, right? With tastings and stuff like that. And yeah, she's wearing flip-flops. Perfect idea. Now her legs are filled with dirt. Because of the flip-flops. Great decision. She's always very good at making decisions.
Yep. Only refer me on times that are stupid. I'm smart. I have a degree, goddammit.
You have a degree?
Yes.
My God. An American degree.
Bachelor's of Science. I became a fucking scientist.
My God. Okay. Well, you're a smart cookie.
I am.
There they are. I'm gonna say hi to them. We're at the coffee farm. We already have our first cup of coffee.
Cheers.
And real Colombian coffee. We came here on the moto. It was just 15,000 pesos. But the ride was quite long and bumpy. Well, especially the end, like the first part, like
Yeah, it was fun.
yeah, it was a normal road, but then it got very, very bumpy. Imagine walking all of that like crazy. And it's really
we
nice.
went through a river.
Also went through a river, yeah, hold our feet up. Well, she's wearing slippers, as you guys already saw before. but I managed to keep my shoes dry. So we're gonna do the tour in Spanish, and I'll take you with us on the tour. the skin, without the skin, and then he just took the one that's
Vende muy oscuro y muy clarito, ¿ya?
roasted,
Sí.
and then ready to drink, kind of. Ready to like make
Brew.
brew it. After lunch, it's time to swim in the river, what all the locals are doing too. It's super nice, but it's super cold. Crazy. But we're gonna do it. Come on. Alright guys, we're back at the hostel. It's been a great 2 days here in Minca. We visited the waterfalls, swam in the Rio, in the river. We've done a coffee tour in the coffee farm, and we had great food. Well, I thought we had great food. She never finished her plate. But it's been a great time here in Minca. Honestly, it's a really good place to relax and, you know, connect with nature, because there's not, you know, a lot of service around. So your phone is practically useless in a lot of spots here in Minca. So really come here to relax and explore the mountains and the beautiful nature of Minca. Thank you. Yeah, and the motor taxis, indeed. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Thank you, that would be very nice, and I'll see you next video. Bye.